First, AI content detection tools are getting smarter, so you need to make your text undetectable to bypass AI content detection that can be for academic, creative or research purposes. In this video, I will show an effective way to create 100% undetectable AI content. So keep watching the video and know the complete process. Hey folks, myself Hill from Originals back with another video, and today I wanna show you all how to create 100% undetectable AI content to bypass AI content detection tools in 2025. And for this, we will be using UncheckAI. UncheckAI offers AI checker and humanizer tools to scan and make AI content undetectable. It comes with accurate AI checker and truly undetectable AI humanizer. Simply follow 3 simple steps to create undetectable text online in minutes. Wow, that's simply insane. Now let's get started and know how to use UncheckAI to create undetectable AI content online. And for that, simply follow the links in description and pinned comment to visit UncheckAI official website. Now click sign up, and from here we can sign up using Google or Facebook, can also sign up using email, or if you already have an account, simply sign in using that. Once we are logged in, we are ready to create undetectable text. So let's get started. Here I have a blog which I had created using ChatGPT on topic social media societal impact. This is so brief and in-depth, but when we check for AI score using the top AI detectors, it shows 100% AI content. Now let's create undetectable text online to bypass AI content detection using UncheckAI. And for that, here we are back on UncheckAI. Now simply pasted the content here, and now from here we can check for AI score as well. So let's do it first, and for that click check for AI. UncheckAI starts to check for AI score, and will also check for AI score from different top AI detectors. Here we have the results as expected. It shows the input content seems to be AI generated, confirmed from different AI detectors as well. Now to create undetectable content online, simply click humanize. UncheckAI starts to write undetectable content and will also check for AI content score. Within seconds, here we have the result. It shows the output content seems to be human written, and the result from top AI detectors is also here. 100% human score. Cool, we have created undetectable AI content. Now let's check for AI score using the top AI detectors, and for first, let's check with Originality.ai. Simply paste the content here and then click scan. Originality.ai starts to check for AI score. Let's see if our undetectable content can bypass Originality.ai or not. And within seconds, here we have the results. Wow, it shows 98% confidence likely original. Superb, that's fantastic work from UncheckAI. Now let's check for AI score using GPTZero, and for that simply paste undetectable AI content. Now click scan. GPTZero starts to check for AI score, and here are the results. GPTZero also confirms it as human content, only 4% probability of AI generated. That's perfect. Now let's confirm with copy leaks, and for that simply paste the content here. Now click scan. Copy leaks starts to check for AI score, and within seconds, here we have the result. Copy leak shows 0% AI content, no AI content found, 0% of text that may be AI generated. Wow, that's cool. Our ChatGPT content is 100% humanized and undetectable, confirmed by top AI detectors. That's impressive work for UncheckAI. I will highly recommend you all to try out UncheckAI if you are looking to write undetectable AI content online. Wanna try? Then simply find the links in the description and pinned comment. That's what I had for today. Hope you found this useful and got value. If yes, let me know by smashing that like button. Also share reviews and feedback in comments. And if you are new to Originals, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this, and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Techie Akhil. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. Today I wanna show you all the best ways to bypass AI detectors and how to humanize AI content. Now want to know how to rewrite undetectable AI content that can bypass AI detectors?